What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I will show you how you can get the rewind watch in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first off, let's see for what you can use the rewind watch. So open up your Wonder Pick and just scroll down a bit until you can see these expired picks right here. So if you take a look, you can see that you can use a rewind watch and 2 Wonder Pick tokens to access this pick. So if I click on this, you can see what will be exchanged to access this pick. So that's currently the only use for the rewind watch, to access the expired picks in Wonder Pick. And this is how you get it. So if I exit this and go to my inventory, and just scroll down to the bottom, you can see that I have 7 rewind watches. And the way that you get rewind watches is just by leveling up. So I am level 8, and once you level up, each level you get 1 Wonder Watch, as you can see here. So that's currently the only way of getting a rewind watch in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to find out how to equip flares, you can watch this video right here. Thank you for watching.